Assalamualaikum and very good day everyone. Today I'm going to present about our project effect of dragon fruit peel on the sensory properties, fiber and fat surrounding floss. Dragon fruit peel surrounding is a value-added fruit crop created to transform fruit waste into nutritious and sustainable Malaysian delicate. Surrounding is a traditional Malaysian dish made from grated coconut and meat cooked with a spice until become dry and flavorful. However, traditional surrounding is usually high in fat and low in fiber, which affect nutritional quality. So, our project is to improve the importing dragon fruit peel, which is discard of waste. Dragon fruit peel is rich in fiber, antioxidant and natural pigment like beta-alanine. By adding to the surrounding, we can reduce fat content and increase fiber, creating a healthy alternative without affecting sensory quality, meaning the color, aroma and taste still remain appetizing. This innovation also supports Sustainable Development Goal, especially SDG 12 and SDG 3. Now, let's look at the problem we identify. Firstly, the sensory quality depends heavily on its ingredient and preparation. Change ingredient such as using plant-based alternative can affect a color, texture, aroma, which may influence consumer acceptance. Second, the excess fat in meat-based surrounding can easily oxidize, reducing product stability and increasing risk like obesity and heart disease. Lastly, meat does not contain dietary fiber, which is essential for good digestive health. The absence of fiber can lead to the poor digestion. Based on this problem, our study objective first to evaluate sensory quality of surrounding formulated with different ingredients. Second, to compare fat content between dragon fruit peel surrounding and meat surrounding using salt-slag extraction method. And third, to determine the fiber content of surrounding made with dragon fruit peel compare meat surrounding.
This research framework compares three different samples. The first one is dragon fruit peel surrounding, chicken meat surrounding and beef meat surrounding. There were three analyses were done. The first one is fruit fat using the salt-slag extraction. The third one is fruit fiber following the AOSC 978.10, and the third one is sensory evaluation where there is 70 panelists participate, and the result were generated by using the IBM SPSS by the Turkey test to compare the mean values. Sensory test was done to know the consumer preference and to make sure our dragon fruit peel surrounding can fulfill the market demand. Unlike commercial surrounding, our surrounding contains the baking step process to match the consumer preference, which is they want the surrounding to be more crunchier. And since dragon fruit peels contain lots of pectin, which make the peels more chewier, so the baking step does really help to remove the moisture and make the texture more similar to commercial surrounding. Meanwhile, the spider web diagram shows that between the control and the F2 there is not much difference, which means our surrounding is quite similar with the commercial surrounding. Based on this bar graph, we can see that the difference between samples for the crude fiber and crude fats. The dragon fruit peel surrounding contain higher fiber and lower fat compared to the meat-based surrounding. At the same time, we also send our sample product to a laboratory called Halalan Thayyiban for approximate analysis, and surprisingly, our dragon fruit peels contains 8.6 protein and 44% of carbohydrates, which showing that even a plant-based surrounding can still be nutritious as much as the meat version.
For the impact of our project, it is related to SDG 12, which is focused on responsible consumption and production. Our surrounding help reduce food by reusing dragon fruit peels as a value-label food ingredients that is usually thrown away. Next, this project also supports SDG 3, which is good health and well-being, because it provides a healthier and high fiber alternative using plant-based instead of meat-based. Also, we developed a new innovative product that used dragon fruit peel itself as the main ingredients. Based on our sensory evaluation, the product received good acceptance in taste, texture, and aroma, showing that it's not only nutrition but also suitable for future commercialization. In conclusion, we can conclude that the formulation of serondeng using dragon fruit peel successfully produced a product with desirable sensory quality. From the sensory evaluation, we found that all the formulations were accepted by the panelists, but formulation 2, which contained 30.71% chili paste and 1.28% chili flakes, received the highest overall acceptance, especially for its taste, texture, and aroma. This means that formulation 2 is the most preferred version among consumers. For the nutritional analysis, the comparison between dragon fruit peel serondeng and meat-based serondeng show that our product have a lower fat content of 8.84%, which make it healthy alternative. It also contains a high fiber content of 38%, which is beneficial for digestion. Overall, this result proves that the dragon fruit peels can be used to create a nutritious, tasty, and sustainable alternative to traditional meat serondeng, with strong potential for commercialization in the future.